Imagine our planet without humans. No bustling cities, no sprawling farms, just nature, wild and untamed. Would the fruits and vegetables we enjoy today exist in this human-free world? The answer is both yes and no. Some familiar faces would be there, but not as we know them. Wild apples, for example, would still hang from trees, but their size and taste would be a far cry from the supermarket varieties. Nature on its own provides the foundation, but the fruits and vegetables we often take for granted are the result of a long and fascinating partnership between humans and plants. Centuries ago, our ancestors encountered fruits and vegetables in their wildest forms. Wild apples were smaller, tartar, and far less sweet. Carrots, surprisingly, were often purple or white, not the bright orange we know today. Bananas, believe it or not, were once full of large, hard seeds, making them difficult to eat. These wild ancestors were a far cry from the convenient seedless snacks we enjoy today. These examples highlight the incredible journey of our food, a journey shaped by both nature's hand and human ingenuity. Early humans, observant and resourceful, noticed that some plants bore tastier or larger fruits. They began saving seeds from these superior plants, planting them season after season. This simple act of choosing and replanting marked the beginning of agriculture and selective breeding. Over generations, these choices led to gradual yet remarkable changes in the plants themselves. Farmers, without even realizing it, were influencing the genetic makeup of their crops, favoring traits like size, flavor, and yield. The result? Plants that were slowly but surely becoming more aligned with human desires. The apple exemplifies this incredible transformation. From its humble wild ancestor, thousands of apple varieties have emerged, each with its unique flavor profile, texture, and appearance. Sweet varieties like the Fuji, tart ones like the Granny Smith, and juicy ones like the Honeycrisp all owe their existence to the careful selection and propagation of desirable traits by countless generations of apple growers. The apple, once a small, sour fruit, became a symbol of diversity and human influence on the natural world, all thanks to the power of selective breeding. Section 5. From tiny seeds to plump tomatoes. A story of selection. The tomato tells a similar story. Its wild ancestor was a small, berry-like fruit, far from the plump, juicy tomatoes we relish in salads and sauces today. Early farmers, perhaps intrigued by larger fruits or those with fewer seeds, started selecting and replanting seeds from these preferred plants. Over time, this selective pressure resulted in larger, fleshier, and more flavorful tomatoes. The tomato's journey from a tiny, unremarkable fruit to a culinary staple is a testament to the slow, steady, and often delicious power of human selection in shaping the plant world. Section 6. Beyond the garden, the science of genetic modification. In recent decades, our ability to influence the traits of plants has taken a giant leap forward with the advent of genetic modification. Techniques like CRISPR allow scientists to precisely edit the genetic code of plants, targeting specific genes for desired outcomes. This level of precision opens up a new frontier in agriculture, allowing us to develop crops that are more resistant to pests and diseases, require less water, and provide enhanced nutrition. Genetic modification, however, remains a topic of debate, with questions about its long-term impact on the environment and human health still being explored. Section 7. The case of the modified banana CRISPR and the future of food. Take the banana, for example. The Cavendish banana, the variety we commonly find in stores, is facing a serious threat from a fungal disease. This disease could potentially wipe out entire banana plantations, jeopardizing a staple food for millions. Scientists are now using CRISPR technology to develop disease-resistant bananas, aiming to protect this vital crop and ensure its availability for future generations. This example highlights the potential of genetic modification to address pressing agricultural challenges and ensure food security in a changing world. Section 8. Nature's Blueprint, Human Hands, a Collaboration Through Time. The story of fruits and vegetables is ultimately a story of collaboration, a partnership between the inherent potential of nature and the guiding hand of humanity. From the earliest farmers selecting for desirable traits to modern scientists using cutting-edge technology, we have played a significant role in shaping the food we eat. This realization invites us to contemplate our responsibility as stewards of the plant world. How can we continue to innovate and improve our food system while also respecting the delicate balance of nature? Section 9. A Fruitful Future: Ethical Considerations and Sustainable Practices. As we move forward, it's crucial to approach genetic modification and other agricultural advancements with careful consideration and a commitment to sustainability. Open dialogue, rigorous scientific research, and ethical frameworks are essential to navigate the complex interplay between human needs and the preservation of biodiversity. The future of our food system depends on our ability to learn from the past, embracing both the wisdom of traditional practices and the potential of scientific innovation. By doing so, we can ensure a future where the fruits and vegetables we enjoy are not only delicious and nutritious, but also grown in a way that respects the planet and nourishes generations to come.